Hello, ladies and gentlemen, gentle folks, and we're here on this video that is gonna be half what you think it is. Okay, so right now we're gonna have a review on MIB3. Well, as you previously know that MIB.
Is this on tape?
Yeah, look at the red light.
Oh, okay. So as you were saying, Sid.
This is a review of MIB3. As you previously know that Vicky Victoria, the bad girl, was killed by Agent K. So, what do you have any comments on MIB3, Kuya?
I think it will be a nice movie. Though I haven't watched it yet, but yeah, it looks nice.
It's a concept of few of sci-fi and aliens.
Aliens, yeah.
And
Okay, can you imagine Kate became younger?
Because Jay went back to the future.
Yeah, isn't that awesome, man?
Back to the past.
Back to the past.
Ay, nako. Everybody is there.
So this movie will be starring
Will Smith
Will
and
Smith
some other dude we don't know. Oh, here's Fifi.
and Will Smith.
Here's Finn. Say hi, Finn. Say hi, Finn.
We're recording.
What's your name?
That is Sid's sister. Cute,
What's your
right?
name?
Okay, so now we're back.
Okay, so what you really need to know about this movie is it's really just a hilarity movie.
Okay,
There are shades upstairs. You can get those shades.
once Sid's in his dilemma, I'm going. Yeah, my view of the movie. I think it's gonna be nice. Yeah.
As you know,
I can't
boards.
wait to watch it.
Don't you know? Do you still remember that board session we did before?
Yeah. Man, it wasn't saved on YouTube.
Hey, you tell your mommy what happened.
We're still on. We're on TV.
Hello?
We're on TV, mommy. Well, mommy,
Yeah.
it's about.
Yeah, we're recording right now. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I forgot now.
Just one naman.
So, as you can see, we tried to prep up in our black view glasses.
The suit, except it's not.
Yeah, except we're in colored. Also, this is supposed to be the flasher. And so yeah. The past MIB movies was nice. There you see MIB1 where they discover Will Smith. MIB2 where Will Smith has to get the old guy back, and this one where they died and they have to go back to the future.
Back to the past.
No, not back to the past. I mean, I'm sorry, I forgot that movie. So yeah, and not to mention the comedy, the action, yeah, the sci-fi, the graphics. That would be nice though in the movie. Don't you think so?
Kay nearly fell to his death.
Yeah. So watch out for the MIB movie, and
Can
we'll
I
see you
borrow the
next
red
time.
one, please?
Yeah. So you mind if you get out of something?
Okay, bye.
Hey! Now that's better.